How's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Happy Valenbean. So for this Valenbean tutorial, I decided to do an anti-Valentine's Day look because those are always fun. I'm not even an anti-Valentine's Day person. I think Valentine's Day is cute, but I think the anti-Valentine's Day looks are fun and dark and vampy and cool. And I wanted to do one as well. I'm just now realizing that I'm pretty sure my anti-Valentine's Day look I did last year, I wore this exact same shirt. So this is apparently the anti-Valentine's Day shirt. Anyways, don't be sad if you do not have a Valentine. You can still have a chill day. You can hang out with some friends. You can hang out with your pets. You can hang out by yourself, eat some snacks. It doesn't have to be a bad day. Don't feel sad about it. If you had your heart broken recently, I apologize. It sucks, I know, but you'll get through it. And by doing so, you need to just throw yourself into things that make you happy, things that make you laugh, things that make you feel good, all sorts of stuff. So anyways, let's just get into this tutorial. Hello, so I have my foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, and eye primer on. Thought I was forgetting something. So we're going to do the eyes first. I have a general idea on what I want to do for this anti-Valentine's Day-esque look, but a lot of it's just going to be playing and seeing. I'm starting with my Marc Jacobs black eyeliner pencil. Obviously you do not have to use the Marc Jacobs brand one. It's just the one that I grabbed. Any black eyeliner pencil will work. And I'm just putting this all over my lid. I'm not carrying that too far up because I'm going to be now going in with this kind of elf brush sort of thing, and I'm just gonna kind of smudge this edge. I always do kind of one eye at a time on camera anyways, but especially like doing it yourself, I recommend doing this one at a time just so you can really focus on smudging it before it gets too dried down or anything like that, where it's totally budge proof. And this obviously isn't gonna look good, it's just kind of a weird shadowiness, but this is the main vibe that I'm going with. I just want a black base to pack black eyeshadow on top of. So for this look, I'm going to be using the 80s Baby palette from Pinky Rose, and I'm going to use Fuerte, if that's how you say that word. It's the black in the palette, and I'm just taking any random eyeshadow brush. It does not matter what you use, and I'm just packing this all over the lid. This is my first time using this black eyeshadow, and it's really good, wow. Now I'm going in with that e.l.f. brush, and I'm just going to just kind of smudge along this edge. Again, just trying to get it a little more smooth, a little less choppy. While I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and just put this black pencil, yeah, kind of all up in my waterline and lower lash line. I was debating putting it in my waterline as well, but I think I want it there. I'm just gonna smudge it all underneath this lower lash line as well. And now, same kind of idea, I'm just gonna start with that e.l.f. brush. Just kind of smudge this edge out first. Obviously there is a little bit of product on this brush now because I've been blending that lid area, but I'm just gonna start by not dipping into any more black just yet. I actually don't think I'll really need to dip into any more black. I think we should leave it just like this. Straight up panda eye, yes. Now I'm going to dip into Amore, which is that red shade in the palette. And this is just on a teeny tiny little Morphe brush. This is the M506, I really enjoy this brush. And I'm gonna start by putting it directly in the crease, so pretty much right on top of that black that's in the crease. I'm just gonna work it here first. This red is very pigmented, wow. I think this is my first time using this shade too. As you can see, I'm kind of carrying this through into this inner corner because I'm going to want to smoke this out and make it very grungy. Now again, taking this right underneath that lower lash line. I know this looks so scary. Trust me, it's gonna be okay. Now I'm just taking this Morphe brush. This is the M518 and I don't have any product on it. And now I'm just going to go to town, just smoking this out. And I'm focusing this on the very outside edge because I really don't want to carry any of that black outwards. This is just focusing on smoking out the red. Gonna go back in with a little bit more of that red, just kind of where I see fit, especially kind of in this outer corner, because I want this to be more winged out. I definitely want to highlight my inner corner. I'm just gonna take Kitty Cat and Glow Getter from my Anastasia Nicole Guerrero palette. You don't have to use this palette if you don't have it because it's obviously not available anymore. This was a limited edition thing a while ago. So just use whatever highlighter you want. I just want this to be very glowy in this inner portion. I'm going to get the other eye up to speed with this eye and then we will continue doing more things. So we're all evened up. I love how grungy this is. It makes me so happy, and I do not do crazy grungy things like this too often anymore for some reason, but I love it. And I'm going to now dip into that Amore shade again with a fat brush because I wanted to put some red on the tip of my nose to act as blush. It's gonna look wild and crazy at first, but I'm gonna use my beauty sponge to tap it out some, so don't you worry. I just wanted a slight reddish hue on my nose. I know it looks like I have a runny nose and it's cute. So now I'm gonna just take that Kitty Cat Glow Getter concoction that I used in my inner corner to highlight my cheekbones. I'm actually not wearing blush today, which is a crazy shock. So just loading up with the highlight instead. I'm not really sure where this look was going in the first place. I just knew I wanted something dark and vampy and dramatic, and this is what's happening, and I like it so far. So I feel unbalanced right now with nothing on my lips and my eyes being this dark, so really quick I'm going to throw on my Jeffree Star Weirdo liquid lipstick, or any black lipstick is fine. This is the only one I have right now. My favorite one's the Black Moon Cosmetics one. I think it's called something, I don't remember, but the one from Black Moon Cosmetics is my favorite, and I lost it over Halloween and I'm depressed about it. But I'm gonna pop this on. I feel like I'm actually done with the eyes. So maybe I'll put my lashes on too, and then we will do the next step that I wanted to do. I'm feeling a little more balanced having a black lip on now, and I like it a lot. And now I want to take inspiration from one of Raw Beauty Christie's recent tutorials. Maybe it's been a couple weeks now, I don't know. But she did little black freckles with her eyeliner, and I want to do that with this. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to focus it mostly on my nose though. Don't ask me why, I literally just decided this step in this moment. Oh, it's so cute. Only I would call something this vampy and grungy and crazy cute. And now I'm going to take my Milk Makeup heart tattoo stamp, and I'm gonna do 3 upside down hearts going from the center of my eye straight down, basically. Just gonna take my eyeliner and color in the spots where it didn't stick. So this is the final look. It's very dark and vampy and grungy, and I absolutely love it. I feel like myself. It's so weird because I feel equally as myself in this and with the cute pinky Valentine's Day looks. I like how this came out. I know this is not for everybody. You don't have to do it. I'm not expecting people to realistically recreate this look. This is more just for fun. Don't be afraid to have fun with it. I'm not even an anti-Valentine's Day person. I love Valentine's Day. I've loved it even since before Zane, and I didn't have a Valentine ever before Zane. I just think it's a cute holiday. Show some love, give some hugs, you know? Anyways, if you enjoyed this anti-Valentine's Day look, then please give it a thumbs up. We are 4 days into Valenbean now, so we have 3 more to go. I look forward to seeing you in those videos, even though I won't see you, you will see me. But anyways, if you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram and follow me there. It is beautbean. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday normally, but this whole week I was posting for a whole week straight, and it'll just continue with Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday after that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.